Hi, I'm Amy Rachelle. I am the founder of govegan.community and our new 4-step 4-week Go Vegan program. When we were creating this site, we created it for our students really as a resource for them to know how to meal plan, to have many recipes, over 150 recipes. And as we built it, we realized, wow, this is such a great resource. We want to open it up to everyone. So we're offering it to you. We want you to come into the community and really benefit from everything that we've built. So that means, again, over 150 recipes from super pro vegan chefs that I've worked with for many years, and it's constantly growing. We have a food library where you can learn about the healing benefits of food, the glycemic index, their pH balance. As a naturopath, these are all the kind of things I've always wanted to impart in my live teaching, but going now online and it really being digital, I've really been able to put all my resources together for you in this site. We also have this amazing meal planner, and this meal planner allows you to browse the recipes, pick out what you want, create your list, and it automatically generates a grocery list for you. I'm super happy with this resource, and I think it's going to benefit your life tremendously. So go ahead and sign up. And also, I want to invite you to our Gut Instinct webinar on Thursdays. From the very practical of learning the food, how to do this, to break it all down, from not only how do I set my kitchen up, recipes, meal planning, but how does this affect our family and social dynamics? What is it going to affect in your life in general, the empowerment, all the way to the supernatural? So Gut Instinct, our Thursday webinar, is all about bringing it from the practical, the science, how it applies to you, your life, your body, your health, to the supernatural, what we are capable of, what each one of us, what you and I can do when we simply work better from proper nutrition. So go ahead and join our community and join us on Thursdays. Thank you, and see you on a webinar, or reach out to me. Let me know what you need. We're building this community together. Bless.